Guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup Lover Sejal. I hope you're finding this video at the best of your health. Happy Navratri everyone. So today is day 9 and the color is beautiful and favorite of almost all the girls is color pink. So here I am with pink sari makeup look. So this is the makeup look. It has turned out so pretty. I would like to thank Maybelline for partnering with me in this video. So yes, I have used new launches of Maybelline products which is long lasting and it will stay throughout till I celebrate my favorite festival. So yes guys, if you want to know how I got this look, so please keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. And yes, now without any further ado, let's get started. I have done my skin prep. मैंने moisturizer और primer apply किया. Maybelline का ही primer apply किया है. Now I'll apply foundation. So I'm going to use my cult favorite foundation, Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I'm in the shade 220. My first YouTube makeup tutorial was with this foundation. Shade तभी अलग था, 320 Sun Beige था. And हमेशा हमें एक डाउट रहता है कि ऑनलाइन फाउंडेशन कैसे चूज करें. So मैं आपको एकदम सिंपल वे बताती हूँ. So Maybelline has this feature of choosing a right foundation shade online. Also the best part is it comes with the pump. I have oily skin, so it really helps me give that mattifying texture. Also it has SPF 22. It's non-comedogenic and the formulation is so lightweight that it feels like skin. Also हम गरबा खेलने जाते हैं, so बहुत ज़्यादा sweat होता है, so it also helps in controlling the oil and it keeps our skin hydrated. I'll take the foundation on the back of my hand. इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी से ही समझ में आता है कि इसका जो फॉर्मुलेशन है कितना लाइट वेट फॉर्मुलेशन है. अब मैं इसे अपने फेस पर डॉट कर लूंगी. I will also use it as a concealer today and you will see कितना beautifully ये सब कुछ blend कर देगा और even tone skin दे देगा हमें. अब मैं डैम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से इसे ब्लेंड कर लूंगी. बट एक चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपको फाउंडेशन को ड्रैग नहीं करना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू डैब डैब डैब. जब आप ड्रैग करते हो तो फाउंडेशन मूव होता है, सो आपको एकदम फ्लॉलेस फिनिश नहीं मिलेगा. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. सो लेट्स डैब इट. Can you see how beautiful it is blending and look at the finish you guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty and so natural. Look at my face. This is without concealer guys. Of course you can build the coverage, but I think I have enough of coverage on my face right now and I'm loving the texture. Now next I'll set my face. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light. This is my third tub. I think मैं काफी टाइम से इसे यूज कर रही हूँ. It's very easy to use with the same beauty blender. मैं इससे प्रोडक्ट पिक कर लूंगी and what I like to do is just dab excess here and then under eyes पे इसे सेट कर लेती हूँ. Can you see how quickly it mattifies my skin and gives that blurring effect? So I just quickly did my eyebrows and now I'll next do my eyeshadow. मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ Maybelline The City Mini Palette 5th Avenue Sunset. It's a very pretty eyeshadow palette guys. इसमें टोटल आपको 6 शेड्स मिल जाते हैं. This shade you can use in your crease. ये आप हाईलाइटिंग के लिए यूज कर सकते हो या आप मिडल शेड फॉर शिमर यूज कर सकते हो. तो काफी प्रिटी पैलेट है. I'm going to take this darker shade in my crease. अगर आप मेरे लास्ट कुछ मेकअप वीडियोस देखोगे तो मैंने किसी में भी आई शैडो लुक क्रिएट ही नहीं किया है. बट आज मेरा बहुत ज्यादा मन कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैलेट. सो आई जस्ट टेक दिस एंड जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग इन माई क्रीज एंड देन ब्लेंडिंग इट. सो मैं इनर कॉर्नर में डार्क और आउटर कॉर्नर में डार्क क्रिएट करूंगी. सो आई हैव टेकन लिटिल क्लोजर ताकि आप सबको अच्छे से दिख जाए. सो यस, मैं इसी शेड को अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लूंगी. मैं एक ही आई शैडो से आई लुक क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ. दैट्स माई टैलेंट. देखो इसे ही ब्लेंड कर लूँगी अच्छे से तो ऐसा लगेगा कि आपने दूसरा शेड यूज किया है और बहुत ब्यूटीफुली बफ हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस गोल्डन शिमर शेड. बहुत ही प्रिटी शेड है ये. सी वाओ. एंड जस्ट मिडल लिड पर अप्लाई कर लूँगी. लुक एट दिस. ओह माय गॉड. एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कट क्रीज सा क्रिएट हो गया विदाउट एनी कंसीलर, क्लीनिंग और एनीथिंग. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है ये. सो मैं इसे और थोड़ा सा डार्कन करूंगी विद द सेम शेड. जस्ट ब्लेंड कर लेना ताकि एक harsh line ना दिखे. Balancing in life is very important. So I'll just balance out my lower lash line too. So same shade ये darker shade लेकर मैं अपने lower lash line पर अप्लाई कर लूंगी. So almost my eye look is complete, but inner corners और brow bone पर मैं लगाऊंगी highlighter. So I'm going to use my favorite old buddy, which is Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. This is in the shade 100 Molten Gold. It's such a pretty highlighter. Look how beautiful it will enhance my eye look. Wow, it looks so beautiful. The highlighter makes huge difference in my eye look. Now next I'll be applying mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. It's my favorite mascara. Let's use it. Firstly, look at the packaging. It's so cute, and this Sky High is written in 3D, which is fab. The wand is tower shaped. Look at this guys, it is just the first coat and कितना beautifully volume दिया है इसने मेरे lash को. Also ये मेरे lashes को curl कर रहा है, plus it is also separating, clumpy नहीं हो रहा है ये. Look at this guys, this mascara makes such a difference. It lengthens the lashes, it gives volume to the lashes, and it also coats the lashes beautifully, plus it curls the lashes so beautifully. So I highly recommend this mascara. Go for it, grab it. You need this festive season. Next I'll be using lots and lots of blush. So I'm going to use this Fit Me blush in the shade 40 Proud. और blush apply करने के बाद आप लोग difference देखोगे that how beautifully it will enhance my look. So आज मैं सिर्फ blush use करूँगी, no contour, nothing. So let's do it. मैं एक angle contour brush लूँगी and I'll just pick the colors. Wow, it's very pigmented. Though the color is light, but it's very pigmented. A quick hack, just start from the sides of the forehead and apply till here, and then slightly blend till your nose. Also, you can take onto your nose. उससे वो कश्मीरी गर्ल जैसा लुक मिल जाएगा. Can you see the difference? I just love how my blush looks right now. Also apply on your chin. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बैलेंस मिल जाएगा फेस पर. सो आपने हाइलाइटर को आई लुक एनहांस करते हुए तो देखा ही. नाउ यू विल सी हाउ इट विल ब्यूटीफुली एनहांस माय फुल मेकअप लुक. Dust off the excess and just see. Wow. Wow. Also one more tip, अगर आपके फेस पर टेक्सचर है, बम्स है जैसे मेरे फोरहेड पर है, सो मैं उस पर हाइलाइटर लगाऊंगी ही नहीं, बिकॉज वो फिर और भी उठ के दिखाएगा. सो डोंट अप्लाई हाइलाइटर ऑन टेक्सचर स्किन. Last is lipstick. I have two ranges of lipstick. One is this Maybelline Color Sensational Ulti Matte. It is formulated with high impact pigments and you get the pigment in just one swipe. It's such a lightweight formulation. It is comfortable throughout the day guys. This is in the shade 299 More Scarlet. It's a red shade, so आज मैं red shade नहीं use करने वाली हूँ. The next range I have is this Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. Oh my god, I am super amazed with this lipstick guys. It doesn't smudge or transfer and it locks the formula for 16 hours, which is super great. So I have two shades in this. One is 10 Lippy and the other is 50 Wicked. So Wicked is red color जो मैं नहीं use करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to use this Lippy shade which is 10 number. Firstly, look at the packaging. Maybelline has done literally such a good job with the packaging, and of course the formula you'll see later on. The vinyl is 3D written, which is great. Okay, there is different way to use this lipstick. So before applying the lipstick, you need to shake. You can hear a sound. Yeah. So you need to shake it for 5 seconds, open it and apply as normal lipstick. But after that, do not press your lips or purse your lips. Let it dry completely and then you can see the magic till 16 hours. Wow guys, look at this. I love the shine on my lips. आपको दो products लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, one lipstick and one gloss. You just have everything in this. I just wait for few minutes and then I'll show you transfer proof test. तब तक मैं अपनी earrings और hair को ठीक करके आ जाती हूँ. So my hair and earrings are done. Now it's time for the transfer test. Look at this guys. It has not transferred even a bit. I'm so shocked that the shine is intact and I'm loving it guys. So yes, this is my final look. In the last, I like to use the Fit Me setting spray which locks the makeup throughout the day. So I'll wear this makeup throughout the day and I'll show you the final result. this is my final look, and this is how you can also show your spark this festive season with Maybelline. I'm sure you all want the product links, so all the links are in description box below. Go ahead and check it out guys. And yes, that's it about today's video. I hope आप सबको मेरा मेकअप लुक एंड ओवरऑल लुक अच्छा लगा होगा. पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Bye.